Hey, how's everyone doing?
Merry Christmas!
Happy New Year!
It's time for the results from the Ornament Challenge.
Ooh, let's get on with this. There have been some real good ones this year. We had quite a few people
Did
submit.
you have a hard time picking?
I had a hard time scrolling through all of them. There were so many, and there were so many good ones. It was hard to go through. I did seem to have kind of a trend of what I liked this year, which was kind of funny. We'll get to that.
We'll get to that later. Yeah, but anyway, before we tell you who are the top picks of yours, and then our top picks later. We each have our own set of top picks. But anyway, we do have to thank our sponsors because they are providing the spice to this thing. Craft Supplies, long-term supporter, sponsor
Love
here.
Craft.
Hunter Tool, also a long time. Chefware Kits was new this year, but they're doing
Glad to have them.
Glad to have them. Turntex, thank you very much. They've been with us several years now. And Robust Tools, also nice lathes, nice tools.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, all of these have nice tools.
Yeah.
Anyway, Woodturners Wonders moved up, and Carter and Son, and Niles Bottle Stoppers. Carl Jacobson, who was one of the original co-hosts, bought Niles Bottle Stoppers, and now he's a sponsor.
That's right.
So, yeah.
Good.
Okay. So,
Full
anyway,
circle.
Full circle.
Full circle.
Also, my company provided a bonus prize also. But,
Yep.
Yeah.
Great.
Yeah. So anyway, you want to
Okay.
take the first one?
Yeah, we got some really fun ones. So we're just gonna bring these up on screen. Number 67, Brad Hildenbrand with Tight Fit.
Okay, and then Jack Boggio with Santa's Toy Shop R&D. Yes, fantastic. A lot of detail in that one.
Number 77, and this is the order they submitted. 77, Robert Vogtman, Chevron Sphere.
And number 290, Howard Stenger, Snowman Globe. It's an interesting piece there.
Number 33, David Arruda. This is the Mr. Peanut decked out for Christmas. That's a fun one.
It's a fun. And then number 205, Jose Cruz with his Rocking Horse.
And then number 79, Robert Voltman Spring Spiral. That's actually, if you look at that actually spirals all the way down. Those aren't
How did
just
you
slabs. Do that? If I told you, then you'd win next year.
Oh, okay, anyway. Okay, number 337, Annabelle Ruiz, Gnomes Under the Rain. Nice piece there also.
And then James Norfleet, Sitting Penguin, and you can see he's got those fat rolls, man after my own heart there.
And number 333, Holden Tranquillo. I didn't say that right there. Tranquillo. Tree Chimes.
Tranquilo.
Nice piece.
Michael Weissend, that Twist, number 294.
And number 124, David Volzer, is Christmas Angel.
Number 2, Shelley and Jim Kent, Santa's Reindeer Flight School. They also did a really fun snow globe one.
And number 28, Dale Guilford. I'm sorry for the name, but his Piercing Snow, which was
fun.
Nice.
One. And then number 24, Lewis Courier, Adrift, and that's actually a piece of driftwood right there that he made with those finials to make that ornament. So those are fun.
Nice prizes, and those are most of those people will get prizes.
Yeah,
well, that's a different process. But
so that was the top 15. We read those in order. Top 15 people voted by you. So thank you so much for voting, being part of it. Those some
did you
great
support
pieces.
Those choices?
Well, yeah, and I actually
do.
On some of my favorite ones that I wanted to talk about were already in there.
Yeah, mine
and
also.
So I had a large list of the ones I like, so that kind of helped cull it down a little bit, so I can just talk about the other ones now.
Yeah, same here. So we'll show you Matt's faves and my faves, but remember our vendors because they added the spice for many of those people, and we'll everybody have a happy New Year and a Merry Christmas right now for the season.
Merry Christmas, everybody. Thank you.
Thank you. Here are some ornaments that Matt picked out to share. Here are some more ornaments that I picked out to share. The clubs with the most participants are Cape Cod Woodturners and Woodworkers of Central New York, Asociación Torneros de Madera de Puerto Rico. These clubs each won a free IRD or demo. Honorable mention to Arizona Woodturners Association and Detroit Area Woodturners. Great effort. Sorry, no IRD this year for you, too. Be sure to thank our vendor sponsors for providing wonderful prizes for more seasonal spice. On a personal note, after 14 years of hosting this challenge, I am retiring. I thank all participants over the years for sharing their creations. Thanks also to my co-hosts, Carl Jacobson, Mike Peace, and Matt Dayton. Many thanks also to the vendor sponsors over the years. Now, with the fantastic growth in the challenge, it is time for another to upgrade the technology and take it to the next level. Merry Christmas to all.